Hello folks, Sam Owens here, and I have a product from VEVOR. It is a car awning. It's a large 4.6 inch by 6.6 inch shade coverage for your vehicle. It's a retractable side awning, and like I say, it's waterproof, has a storage bag for keeping it out of the weather, and the height is adjustable. You're going to see all of this in a demonstration. It's suitable for trucks, SUVs, vans, and campers. And one thing it does require is a roof rack, which are those two rails that go across the top of your car. I'm going to take you over and actually show you what you need. Also, in addition to this, you're going to need cross rails. These, a lot of cars don't come with these. This is an accessory that goes between the two rails on top of your car. Folks, this is the roof rack, these two rails, and yours may have it. These are the cross rails that have these clamps on either side that clamp this rail in place. And this is what we're going to mount the car awning bracket. It comes with two zippers, and you just open them up all the way to the end. And then you will find you have a user manual, which is going to describe just how you mount this to the car. And I'd suggest reading this before you attempt to assemble it and mount it. Okay, you get this little bag which has got all of your little accessories that come with it. You get two cords, adjustable cords, that are going to be the tie downs on the stakes at the end of the awning. You're going to also get these stakes, which you're going to mount this rope on so that you can secure it from the wind, and just secure the poles up. And also, this is mounting hardware. This is going to be what you're going to actually attach these brackets right here to the awning. And then this is going to attach, these brackets are going to attach to the cross rails. Now, let me close this back up. This is the way it's going to appear on the side of your car. And over on the other side is the bracket that is going to mount to these two brackets. This is going to go here, down here. Now, on this, you're going to put the short bolts right here. It has to be mounted with these two at this point where I can get a screw in there and there. So you see, you do need a little space in between here and there for that to work. I've got to mark my location for these two holes and drill. I'm going to use a 3/16 as a pilot hole, and then I've got a 3/8 to do the final. And get right in my mark. Okay, see, it went all the way through. So now I'm ready for this one. Okay, all the way through. And I'm going right through this rubber here. It's no problem. And there we go. This goes under here, this goes in here. I'm going to put a nut on here, tighten her up just a little bit. And now we will put this one through for that fine movement. There we go. And now it'll be a matter of tightening those up. You see, I have the two brackets mounted. Here you see both end caps are on and all bolts are tightened. I'm going to bring over the awning and place it on there and tighten it to here. This is the way it goes with the zipper down, and I have my screws mounted, the two little short ones. Now folks, we're ready to mount this, and all I got to do is have these short bolts in place and kind of relatively close to the position that I need. Pick this up and kind of guide it into place on the bottom on both of them, and then kind of bring the top up and look, hold it and get the top one and one right here, and now I got it. Okay, and I'll get the other two on. And this one. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy on. And here we go. Perfect. You open this up and deploy it. Alright, I got a hammer and got the cords figured out. Now this is what you have to do right here is take this and hold on to this and do not let it go when you do the other one. Right here, lift up. Hold this with your hand, so lift up and pull these down. You're going to see two arms. These are the arms that are going to go out for the top, and you deploy them out like this, and this one, and this will hold everything in place. This is the part that's going to allow you to operate it, give it support. And now you open this up. In there, okay, yeah, pull it out of both sides and then deploy this. Okay, the way you tighten this up from going in is go clockwise, go counterclockwise, and it'll go in and out and adjust. And then clockwise, it locks it. So when I find it, I will get the right adjustment. This has got to hook in to this point right here. So let me do this now. And I've got to get this in here. Okay, there. So now I can loosen up on this and pull it out till it's tight, just to get a temporary adjustment. Now that's tight right there, and I'm going to do the other side. The other side is here. I go counterclockwise, and now I put this one into the... Now these can go down, loosen it up, get one of them adjusted tight. That one's tight, and now this one is got to be loosened and tightened up. They don't have to be equal. Now I'm ready to mount these. Now, I think I got to move this out a little bit, both of these. So now I can come out, pull this up like this, and also pull it tight. Then go counterclockwise and adjust these in to their holes respectively, and twist this. Okay, and then I'm going to go out here tight, and then lock it down clockwise. This one counterclockwise, and push him out and then locking down. And see, it's getting tighter. And now, okay, there we go. This is the way I think it works right here, is you got a little hook there. And when you drive this in, you're gonna have this hook like that, so that you can just flip this right over there. And then this is an adjuster that will allow you to adjust the tension. So let's try that. I'm off at an angle here. I'm gonna go right here and drive her into the ground. Now I'm gonna take my loop, hook it over there, and then drive this on down into the ground, like that. Now, with this end, I can tie right on to there, and put a nice little knot in there, like this, like that. And now, take this, and now I can adjust the tension, and that'll hold it. Tie this one off, and then I grab this and just pull, and now there. See, it's good. Then if you need to tighten it, you can come over and pull this a little bit more, and it'll hold it perfect. Okay, folks, we're camping. Got my drink, got my cover, and now for the drink. There you see what it looks like, how to put it together, and it doesn't really take long. All right, folks, I want to thank you very much for watching my video.